Hello, it's Meng. Today we're making mochi donuts. My version is like cake donut, is soft on the inside and chewy on the outside. We'll start by making the dough. We'll start with sweet rice flour. It's not mochi donut without it. Tapioca starch. A little bit of all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. A little bit of salt. And about 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix those ingredients together before adding about 1/2 cup of milk and 1 egg. Mix the ingredients again. It will seem a bit dry at this point. We'll add 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we'll knead until the dough comes together. You can add a little bit of milk if it's needed. We'll cover and let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll use a spoon to scoop out a piece of the dough, form them into balls, and arrange them into the ring on parchment paper. We'll fry in oil at about 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 to 3 minutes, or into a golden brown on both sides. You can remove the parchment paper after about 30 to 45 seconds from the oil and transfer to a paper towel lined plate. To make the glaze, we'll start with a couple cups of confectioner sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and a splash of vanilla. You can add more milk depending on how thin or how thick you want your glaze. You can also add food coloring if you wanted different colors. We'll quickly glaze the donuts while they're still hot. And that's easy peasy mochi donut. Enjoy! For tips on this recipe and more, visit crafts2crumbs.com.